Hello and welcome to another video of Coffee and Stocks. In today's video, we're going to quickly talk about Virgin Galactic and some of the news about it, if there is any news about it, and if we should have it in our portfolios or at least have it in our watch list. But before we get started, how about we get some coffee? Alright, let's get one thing straight, and that I am not a financial advisor, so don't take my words as advice. Please don't forget to drop a like on this video as well as subscribe. It really does go a long way in supporting the channel. I do want to thank all of those who have recently subscribed, and I will be doing a giveaway once we reach 100 subscribers. And we're super close. We're only one away. I know we had 100 yesterday, but someone unsubscribed, unfortunately. So I might even do the giveaway next week if we do have 100 subscribers. So stay tuned for that information. All right, let's just jump right to it. Virgin Galactic with the ticker symbol of SPCE, a company who actually I haven't talked about in this channel yet. But in this video, I just wanted to give you guys as investors an idea of where I stand in this company. I do want to start off with saying that there isn't much excitement going on in this company right now. In the last month, Virgin Galactic is actually down right around 22%, which isn't something a lot of investors want to see. This 22% on the downside followed the 122% run to the upside since March when the pandemic hit. So it's easy to invest in a company when they are super low, like as you can see in March, and it's super easy to invest in a company when there is a lot of news coming out for that particular company, because it can give you some kind of direction or guidance on where you should put your money, or even if you should take it out for that matter. But actually, as some investors put it, it's pretty good to invest in a company where there isn't mass media covering them or news covering them, since that's when you really understand how valuable a company really is when it thrives by itself. So it really gives you an idea of how the company really is, and it doesn't need any catalyst like news. So when we look at the 1-year chart, we can see that this company actually was trading for around $14, between $14 and the high $16. And if we look around mid-June to around end of July, we see that Virgin Galactic was actually up for more than 76%, which is freaking huge. Like even right now, after the couple of days that this stock was up for more than 30%, Virgin Galactic is pretty high up there. So it's in my opinion, this stock is still very volatile, and the stock has it has big swings, and prices can very go down quickly with little to no news. And I honestly think that this company will always have these types of swings, and they're gonna have it for a very long time, because they don't need that much news, honestly. So Virgin Galactic is just swing city out here. With that being said, this company is not for the faint of heart. If you can't handle the ups and downs it has in the long run, then this company is really not for you. You can definitely hold it for the long run, but you do have to take in consideration that they will have a tons of swings. Say for example, remember in the year-to-date chart when they were super close to the $40 mark? Exactly. And then as fast as they went up, they came crashing down like no other, going all the way down to $10 a pop. Now, since 2007, Richard Branson, the founder of both Virgin Galactic and Virgin Atlantic, announced that they wanted to commercially fly people to space. We all know that, and we all got excited. For those news, people have been fed up because we're in 2020. It's been 13 years, and we haven't seen any real completion of that plan. We've seen a little news here and there, like a video of people who have been who took a trip or something. But Virgin Galactic announced yesterday not yesterday. They just announced another delay of its landmark first commercial space flight for Branson, obviously for the second half of 2020 to 2021. So we're gonna have to wait to the first quarter of 2021 in order to see this go into fruition. Now, this led for SPCE stock to tank on this project. So obviously we hear these news, we see these news, and they just delay it and delay it. So, you know, since this project got delayed again and again, obviously it's going to take, or it's going to do really bad things to the stock itself. So you need to be careful and also be able to handle those big dips. Nonetheless, innovation takes time, obviously, right? So changing the world with disruptive technology and inventing an entirely new category of space mobility doesn't just happen overnight. It takes years. You know, so Virgin Galactic did receive their FAA license for Spaceship Two tests. So we saw some spikes after they received their licenses. So this license covers test flights of Spaceship Two from the Mojave Air and Spaceport in California over a 2-year period. On those tests, Spaceship Two is carried aloft by its carrier aircraft White Knight 2, from which is released and fires its hybrid rocket engine for a suborbital flight, gliding back to a runway landing. So this is the best we've seen, and we obviously we see this video, and you know it's really interesting to see this part because you can really see that they are super close to it. On August 25th, 2020, Bloomberg reported that Sir Richard Branson has cleared a crucial obstacle on the Torch's journey to rescue flagship airline. On Tuesday, creditors agreed to back $1.6 billion bailout that is going before a British court for approval next week. While COVID-19, created problems for air travel, for the airline, there's at least a chance now that Virgin Atlantic will get access to the funding it needs to survive both pandemic and the recession. That also includes, you know, Virgin Galactic and its plans and its projects to move forward. And make no mistake, Virgin Galactic is on the cutting edge of defining an entirely new space economic potential growth worth hundreds of billions of dollars across space tourism and travel verticals. So don't let a few delays in 2020 scare you out of SPCE stock. Instead, keep your eyes geared towards the long haul and use recent weaknesses to buy the dip. Anyways, that was the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Virgin Galactic is just a stock in which has a lot of swings, and if you're bullish on it and you think this stock, you know, you could really take those swings, then you could really make some great returns. But just be aware of the dips that it can take, and it could just bite you in the butt. Don't forget to drop a like on this video as well as subscribe, because honestly it really does go a long way. And thank you for those who have already subscribed and liked this video. Comment below if there's any other topics you would, or any other stocks or companies you would want me to talk about. But until then, see you guys next time on Coffee and Stocks.